Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change color settings in Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the achievements, and in the bottom left corner, the store. In the top right corner, we have the settings, and in the bottom right corner, we have the start button to start a game, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change color settings in Call of Duty Mobile. So first of all, launch the app and the game as I told you in the start of the video, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings menu like so. Then select the basic tab from the left hand side menu, so it is this one, the second one, and then tap on graphics. When you're in the graphics section, go to Battle Royale graphic style and click on customize color. Then enter a training mode and adjust the shadow, mid-tone, and highlights according to your preferences. You can also adjust the tint and hue if you want to change the overall color scheme. Go back to audio and graphics and turn on the sync to multiplayer option. And these adjustments can help you see opponents more clearly and improve your gameplay experience. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.